For this scarf in name of Srila Gopananda Maharaj, who is Vibhavajna Varakshana President. And this portrait magazine publication. Thank you very much, Maharaj.
जय श्री प्रभुपाद की जय 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 श्री राधे। बहुत सुंदर। अच्छा। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्ध्रस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधो जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिका कांत राधाकांत नमस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। जयतां सुरतोर्पङ्गोर्मम मन्दमतेर्गते मत्सर्वपदाम्बुजो श्रीराधा मदनमोहनो दिव्याद्विन्दारण कल्पद्रुमाद श्रीमद् रत्नाकर सिंहास्तनस्तु श्री श्री राधा श्रील गोविंद देवो पृष्ठार्भुसेव्यमानुस्मरामि। श्रीमान रासारसं विवंशीवटतरस्थित कर्षणवेणुशनैर्गोपी गोपीनाथ श्रीस्तु नमः। ओं वृंदावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमो नमः। भक्ता विहीनापराधलक्ष्यै क्षिप्ताश्च कामादि तरंगमध्ये कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्ना वृंदे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दम्। भजामि राधां अरविन्दनेत्रां स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मितास्यं वदामि राधां करुणाभराद्रा ततो ममान्नास्ति गतिर्न कापि। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my spiritual master, Nitya Lila प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सतश्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत श्रील वामन गोस्वामी महाराज and Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Sadmad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Sadmad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gauruganda Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Rakha Sridhar Goswami Bhakti Puri Goswami Maharaj, and also Param Pujyavat Om Vishnu, what is his name? Paramadvaita Swami Maharaj, and all Vaishnava Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests. So I am very happy to come in your place. What is his name? Jamuna Kunj. Jamuna Kunj. Just I want to speak few words because today is very super excellent, auspicious day. The appearance day, disappearance day of Bhakti Vinod Thakur, and also disappearance of Gaur and Gadadhar Pandit. And they are also in Gopinath Bhavan. I briefly spoke about Bhakti Vinod Thakur. Here I will speak briefly about Gadadhar Pandit Katha, and which is direct manifestations of Srimati Radhika. Radhika Prakash Vigraha Gadadhar Pandit. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna. Antar Krishna, Bahir Gaura. Actually inside he is Krishna. And outside he is Gaura. So for this regard, Jiva Goswami Pad explains Antar Krishna, Bahir Gaura. That means Krishna, he has come in this Kali Yuga in the form of Sachinandan Gaurhari. So that means when Krishna comes, automatically all his eternal associates they are coming. Their Parikar also coming. Give an example, king is coming, Raja aa rahe hain. Means king he is not coming alone. King he is coming with his own associates, Parikar. In the same way, Krishna appeared in this Kali Yuga in the form of Sachinandan Gaurhari. In the same way, Krishna's all their own associates, they also coming with him. Yeah? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna. Or Gadadhar Pandit is a direct manifestation of Srimati Radhika. Yeah? These things. But in Chaitanya Charitamrita, we see the two Gadadhar is there. One is called Gadadhar Pandit and another is called Gadadhar Das. Chaitanya Charitamrita Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also mentioned about Gadadhar Das. Gadadhar Das also he is called the manifestation of Gadadhar Pandit or Srimati Radhika. Yeah. So Gadadhar is very nearest to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Gadadhar he was born in Navadvip Dham, very close to the house of Jagannath Mishra, the father of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Gadadhar from Pandit's family and also Jagannath Mishra family, they are very close to each other. Both they were Brahmana. But the mother and father of Gadadhar Pandit so much love and affection with Mother Shachi Devi and Jagannath Mishra. Almost same time they also appear in that place. Gadadhar, in his childhood, always he was staying with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in the house of Jagannath Mishra. This thing. Childhood both also staying together. Sometimes Sachimata she confused. Ye Gadadhar, who is Gadadhar is also called is saying this Gadadhar is as like Sita or Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Ram. For this regard they are also in the Ram or Sita. As like you cannot separate and Srimati Sita from Ramchandra. Where is Ram? There is Sita. Where is Sita? There is Ram. In the same way, where is Gadadhar? There is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Where is Krishna? There is Radha. Jatra Radha, Tatra Krishna, Jatra Krishna, Tatra Radha. Where is Radha? There is Krishna. Where is Krishna? There is Radha. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called the combined form of divine plural Radha and Krishna. Radha Krishna एक ही स्वरूप. प्रेम रस आश्रिते धरे दुई रूप. Radha Krishna is one, but according to realizing the prema rasa, manifested two forms. That is called Radha Krishna or Krishna and Radha. In the same way, we see in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Leela. And the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that means Nimai and Gadadhar. And so for this regard, everybody call him Gadai Gauranga. Gadai means Gadadhar, Gauranga means Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Everybody called to them Gadai Gauranga. That means Gauranga, he belongs to Gadadhar, or Gadadhar, he belongs to Gauranga. Gadai Gauranga. They are very close to his, from his childhood also. But Gadadhar nature is little bit different. Gadadhar is very calm and quiet, restless. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, completely what? Chanchal. Restless. These are things. Chanchala Krishna. Because I am saying, because in the childhood, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, their Nimai, is always very restless, Chanchal. And Gadadhar, he is calm and quiet. But they are staying together. But this is the opposite mood. How possible staying together? Maybe question will come this way. Because Gadadhar, Sarup Shakti Sarvani Srimati Radhika. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna. So where is Krishna? There is Shakti automatically with him. Shakti, Mathur, Dev, Aveda. There are not no difference between Shakti and Shaktiman. Agni, Dahika Shakti. Fire and the heat of fire are staying in together. In the same way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Gadadhar are staying together. But nature little bit difference. Gadadhar is calm and quiet. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu very restless. Gadadhar, he goes to school but we calm and quiet. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they are Nimai, or he is very talkative and speaking too much. So for this regard, Gadadhar, he does not like to speak with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But Nimai, that means Nimai is very eager to speak with him. Sometimes baby are very talkative. Mother does not want to speak. But baby, blah, 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 blah. As like your son. Yes. Sometimes I don't want to speak. But baby also, blah, 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 blah. Hey, this is true or wrong? Restless. Restless. In the same way, we see Gadadhar and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nimai. Then they grew up in this way. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then Nimai, sometimes he speaks very high level things. Gadadhar, he does not want to speak high level things. But Nimai, he always speaks too much. And when Gadadhar is returned back from school, he thinking, I will not meet with Nimai. So sometimes also Gadadhar, he is coming in another way, you know. But Nimai, he comes and coming and they blocked the road and start to speak. What they are speaking? Just give an example. Once Nimai asked to Gadadhar, Gadadhar, tell me, according to the Shastra, and give the definition about Mukti. and liberation. Then Gadadhar, very simple, he told, Attantiki dukkha nivritti mukti. That means free from all kinds of distress or unhappiness. That is called mukti. Attantiki dukkha nivritti reva hi mukti. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, oh, this is not the perfect definition of mukti. Then Gadadhar again he explained, the Vishnu Angri Labhangi Mukti. That means one who attains the lotus feet of Lord Vishnu. That is called also mukti. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that means Nima, he told, I am not happy in this definition about mukti. Then Gadadhar little bit upset. Okay, you tell what you want. Speak. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Mukti jannatha rupam sasarupena vyavastiti mukti. Mukti jannatha rupam, giving up all kinds of activities. Karma, jnana, yoga, tapasya. One who realizes his own transcendental constitution form, Siddhadhyaya, and with his own transcendental constitutional form direct serve to divine Radha and Krishna, that is called mukti. This is the highest definition about mukti. Mukti jhanata rupam sasarupena vyavastita. So Mahaprabhu in this way established very nice these types of philosophy. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu performing Nam Sankirtan. Before Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was called the Pandit Nimai. Pandit Nimai, he is great philosopher in Navadvip Dham. Everybody called him, which Nimai? Pandit Nimai. He defeated all the great Panditas in Navadvip Dham. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested Nabbanai. So Panditas, they also afraid from Nimai Pandit. Everybody called him Nimai Pandit. Vidyar, that is called Vidyar Vilas. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in this way performed sweet lila. Navadvip Dham. Vidyar Vilas. This way. But when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu returned back from Gaya and received Diksha mantra from Ishwar Puripad, that time Nimai is called Bhavuk Nimai, completely absorbed in sentiments. Only chanting holy names and crying, shedding tears. Kaha mor pranat, Murali Vadan, kaha jaun, kaha paun, Brajendra Nandam. Where is my beloved Krishna? Who hold the peacock feather on his turban, who kept the flute on his hand. Where is that Krishna? Kaha mor pranat murali vadan. Kaha jaun, kaha paun. Where will go? Where will I get him? In this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu day and night cried. Sometimes Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recited some verse also. He deva, he daita, he bhuvanaika bandhu, he Krishna, he chapala, he karunaika sindhu, he nath, he ramana, he nayana virama, ha ha kadanu bhavitasmi bhuvor disor me. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami mentioned this verse in Chaitanya Charitamrita and very nicely and elaborately explain about this verse. Hey Krishna, you are called Deva. Deva means Divyati Kriyati Deva. Who is always dancing and playing. He is called Deva. Every distant here. Krishna Deva Bhavantang Bande. Krishna Deva Bhavantang Bande. Man manasa madhukara marpaya nija pada pankaja makarande. Krishna Deva Bhavantang Bande. Krishna Deva Bhavantang Bande. Rupa Goswami Pad composed this verse. So in this verse also, Hey Deva. Dev mane Dhutisil Kirasil, who is always playing. Dev, hey Devo. Hey Dvaita, you are very near and dearest of the gopis. Hey Devo, hey Dvaita, hey Bhuvanaika Bandhu, you are the friend of all the universe. Bhuvanaika Bandhu. Hey Krishna, you are Krishna, means Krishna means to attract. Nasya nivritti vachaka prema prajachati, who attracts to all the living entities towards him and gives prema. So, he Devo, he Dvaita, he Bhuvanaika Bandhu, he Krishna, he Chapala. Chapala means is very restless, chapal. Understand? Not staying in one place. He Devo, he Dvaita, he Bhuvanaika Bandhu, he Krishna, he Chapala, he Karunaika Sindhu. You are the ocean of mercy. Karunaika Sindhu. He Nath, he Ramana. He Nath, you are the protector of all the living entities. Nath mani pati. Palan karte ho. And you also to protect all the living entities. He Nath, he Bhuvanaika Bandhu. And you the friend of all the universe. He Devo, he Dvaita, he Bhuvanaika Bandhu, he Krishna, he Chapala, he Karunaika Sindhu, he Nath, he Ramana. Ramana means Ramayati iti Ramana. Bihar karne wale. Always you are playing with Srimati Radhika. For this regard, his name is called Raman Bihari. Mero Radha Ramana Giridhari, Giridhari Sam Banu Ari. Mero Radha Ramana Giridhari, Giridhari Sam. He Nath, he Ramana, he Nayanabhiram. Always you give the pleasure, the eyes of all the living entities. Nayanabhiram. Ha ha kadanu bhavitasmi bhur disor mein. Alas, alas. Hi, hi. When you will give darshan in our eyes. Nayanabhiram. So in this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu day and night absorbed in the separation mode and crying this. Then Lord Chaitanya performed Nam Sankirtan in the house of Srivas Thakur, Gadadhar Pandit, Advaita Acharya, Nityananda Prabhu and others devotees. Nam Sankirtan. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he decided have to take sannyas. Then everybody become very upset. Then finally Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas. Then he came in Jagannath Puri. Then Gadadhar is thinking, oh, I have to stay in Jagannath Puri with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because after taking sannyas, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to Sachimata, the mother always will stay in Jagannath Puri. Matri Bhakta Sirobari Sachinandan Gaur Hari. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has so much love and affection with his mother Sachidevi. Because Sachimata told, Nimai, don't you stay in Vrindavan. Vrindavan is very far. I will get your message. कैसे तुम्हारे समाचार लिया जाएगा. And it is better you may stay in Jagannath Puri. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu promised to her. Mahaprabhu अपने माता के निकट ये बताया, ये माँ mother always will stay in Jagannath Puri. So for this regard, Gadadhar is thinking Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will stay in Jagannath Puri. So I must take Kshetra Sannyas. Kshetra Sannyas means what? Stay in one pilgrimage place, not going here and there. Some pilgrims also taking Kshetra Sannyas in Jagannath Puri. Some also taking Kshetra Sannyas in Vrindavan Dham. Different devotees, they are taking these types of sannyas. So Gadadhar Pandit, he took Kshetra Sannyas. He think I will stay in Jagannath Puri because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will stay there. Because without Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Gadadhar can't survive his life. For this regard, Gadadhar, he took क्षेत्र sannyas in Jagannath Puri. But he was staying in Tota Gopinath. When he used to go Jagannath Puri, we see Gadadhar Pandit, he was staying in Tota Gopinath, or Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was staying in Gambhira. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, every day, he used to come in Tota Gopinath and meet with Gadadhar Pandit. Meet with Gadadhar Pandit also and discuss our Srimad Bhagavatam. Gadadhar Bhagavat पढ़े Chaitanya Mahaprabhu सुने. माने Gadadhar, he read Srimad Bhagavatam, और Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was listening. And Gadadhar Bhakta, और Chaitanya Mahaprabhu श्रोता. विशेष कर especially when Gadadhar, he discussed about Rasa Leela Katha or Bhramar Geet, and both were crying and crying, completely submerged in the ocean divine love of Srimati Radhika. Gadadhar, because Gadadhar is not even Srimati Radhika already told. And Gadadhar, when he discussed about Gopi Ras dance, especially how Krishna disappeared from the assembly house of Gopis, Gopi Samaj, Rasila में कैसे अंतर्ध्यान हुए. When Gadadhar discussing Gadadhar, he was crying. And same time Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also loudly cried. This. One day Gadadhar Pandit and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and some devotees, they were walking on the beach. Because Tota Gopinath and ocean is very close. If you go Jagannath Puri, then you may see Tota Gopinath and ocean, Samudra is very close. Now little bit Samudra is going little bit far. Actual that time was ocean is very close to Tota Gopinath. So one day Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Gadadhar Pandit and others devotees, they were walking on the beach. Then suddenly Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to Gadadhar, I will give you one thing to you. Do you want? Then Gadadhar very humble told, Prabhu, whatever you will give me, I will have to accept. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu with his own hand, he was digging the sand on the beach. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested very nice, beautiful, the deities of Krishna. Understand this? And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Gadadhar, you take this Vigraha. Actually, this Vigraha is self-manifested. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself manifested this Vigraha. That is called Tota Gopinath. According to the Uriya language, Tota means garden, bagicha. Gopinath, and Mahaprabhu told this is called Gopinath. For this Vigraha manifested in there, for this regard, this Gopinath name is called Tota Gopinath, according to Uriya language. Tota Gopinath. And Gadadhar, every day, he served this Thakurji with his love and affection. Vigraha Sivan. In our Raghunaga Bhaktis, you have to follow the five things. Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan, Bhagavad Savan, Mutrabas, Srimurti, Shraddha Sevan. Sakal Sadhan Seva, Pancher Alpa Sangha. Krishna Prem Janmai, Pancher Alpa Sangha. Chaitanya. Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan, listen Bhagavad Katha, or Mutrabas, stay in here. Mutrabas means Brajamandal, not Mathura. Understand? If you think, oh no, I like Mathura, then there is Kubja is there. Who is there? Kubja. Then तुम्हारी भी कुब्जा हो जाएगा, बस हो जाएगा सब. Here Mathura Bas means stay in. Mathura means Mathura Mandal, Mathur Mandala. That is called Brajamandal. or specially in Vrindavan, where you will stay? Seva Kunja, Nidhuvan, Nikunjavan, Radha Kunda, Kokilavan, Javat, that place. That is called Radha Adhipatta Bhumi. Where that place is completely dominated by Srimati Radhika. That is called Radha Adhipatta Bhumi. Our Acharya very nicely explained this way. Srimati Radhika, she is called Vrindavan Adhishari. She is the supreme controller of Vrindavan. Maro Vrindavaneshwari Srimati Radha Rani. Rasa Raseshwari Srimati Radha Rani. So all the female persons, they completely are intoxicated with that divine love. Because Srimati Radhika, she is queen of Vrindavan. Vrindavan के राज रानी कौन है? श्रीमती राधिका. So all the ladies, female, they are very happy. Understand? In your society, if the female minister will come, you will be very happy. Male person will come, you are not happy. Because sometimes male person, they don't want to listen your prayer. But female, you are female, maybe she will listen your in the election, and if the, for this regard election, they also give the name of the female name. Then lady will be very happy. In the same way, Vrindavan, when Srimati Radhika, she is the a queen of Vrindavan. Vrindavaneshwari Srimati Radhika. Then all the female gender, they are very happy. And in Vrindavan, who are there? Birds. Which birds? Female birds. As like Kokila. So we are going to Kokilavan, not Kokilvan. Kokilavan. We are reading the Kokilavan. Female cuckoo birds, very happy. In Vrindavan, the bird, the creepers, Lata. Lata is very happy. Sari, Suk, Sari, female. Mayuri, Pihan. In this way, so now coming in this way, and Gadadhar Pandit, and every day he served this Thakurji. That name is called Tota Gopinath. And Mahaprabhu every day used to come there, also listen Hari Katha. And Gadadhar Bhagavad Pade Sune Gaura Rai. Gadadhar, he read Srimad Bhagavatam. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was listening. Crying and crying and crying. Because Srimati Radhika, she herself discuss about Gopi, what is called? Gopi Geet, Brahmar Geet, Jugal Geet. And separation mood are not there. Jayati te odhikang janmana braja srayata indira shas atrahi daita dikshata dikchuta voka tridhita asavo twang vichinate Suradada saradadu dasaim sadhujatasi sarujasi yudare srimusadrisa suratanate sulkadasika varadhanignato neyakim vadha Tava kathamritam tapta jivanam kariviritam kalmasahapam Shravanamangalam Srimadattatam Bhuvi Ginnanti Te Bhuridajana. Very beautiful slokas. In this way, Gadadhar, he read this slokas, especially Gopi Geet, Brahmar Geet, and then both that time was completely submerged in divine love and crying and crying. This is going on there. But in our Acharya also explained this way. And You may say the Thakurji in there, Tota Gopinath, how is sitting? As like Padmasana, these things. Actually, before, when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested this Vigraha, the Vigraha was standing. Standing position. But after departure of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Gadadhar cannot survive himself. Gadadhar himself not to put the garland to Thakurji. Then Thakurji himself seated. And the Pujari also explained this way. And this Thakurji seated what position? When Krishna appeared in the assembly of the gopis. Understand? Same thing, same way Krishna is sitting in this. Very nice, beautiful way. Gadadhar has very so much love and affection with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Without Mahaprabhu, he cannot survive himself also. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he told, I have to go Vrindavan. And on the way of Vrindavan, I have to take darshan, Ganga and Navadvip Dham, my birthplace. Janani Janohischa Sargadapi Gariyasi. My birthplace is higher than heaven, Sargaloka. Then Gadadhar Pandit told, I have to go with you. Mahaprabhu told Gadadhar, you should not go. You stay here because you took vow, pratigna kiya. Kya? You will stay in Jagannath Puri because you took Kshetra Sannyas. You should not break your Sannyas Dharma. But Gadadhar told, yeah, Prabhu, where you are, there is Vrinda, there is Kshetra. My sannyas is, everything is there. যেখানে বৈষ্ণবগণ সেইখানে বৃন্দাবন. Here is Vrindavan. Here is Guru Vaishnava, Hari Katha, there is Vrindavan. So Gadadhar, he told, Prabhu, I have to go with you. But Mahaprabhu told, no, Gadadhar, you should not give up your sannyas dharma, and Kshetra sannyas dharma. You already took vow. Otherwise you will go hell, Narak. Mahaprabhu in this way he tried. But Gadadhar, he told, no, I have to go with you. Dhanavad Maharaj, Hare Krishna, please come. I have to go with you. Mahaprabhu told, no, Gadadhar, please stay. Come, Maharaj, please come. Ek chair de do. Give one chair here. Jai, Dhanavad. Hare Krishna. Sit down. Mahaprabhu, then Gadadhar, so I have to go. After some time, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, Gadadhar, go, don't go one step. Then Gadadhar, he fainted. And Mahaprabhu proceeded to Vrindavan. Then anyhow, others devotees, they also survived to Gadadhar. Gadadhar, he was crying and crying because he felt pang of separation from Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. One devotee, and what is his name? Mishra? Pardunno Mishra something. Now, which devotee's name? Sometimes you were saying, he told, oh, now I am meditating and about Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, how he is going to Vrindavan. Then he told Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu now in Bengal. And all the Bengali devotees, how they are loving and affectionate Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. They are offering different fruits, flowers to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then now Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in which? Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in what is his name? At the place? Or Rup Sanatana is staying? Ramkelika. There you go, my meditation not moving more, not going. Mahaprabhu, I think this time Mahaprabhu will not go Vrindavan. At the same time, Sanatana Goswami Pad, he advised to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Prabhu, now you are going to Vrindavan, but this is not the process to go to Vrindavan. Vrindavan jaivar nahe iha paripati. This is the process to go to Vrindavan, because in or behind thousand people are there going, different moods and disturb your mood also. According to the instruction of Sanatana Goswami Pad, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu returned back from Ram Giligam. Then Mahaprabhu first he met with Gadadhar. Then Mahaprabhu told Gadadhar, you are not happy with me. So for this regard, Lord did not allow me to go Vrindavan. Mahaprabhu very humble told this. Gadadhar little bit ascend. Then after next year, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he proceeded to Vrindavan, and that time he took only his 2 persons, Balbhadra Bhattacharya and his one Brahman who cooked for Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This. But now coming in this Gadadhar, and he is staying in Tota Gopinath. But maybe question will come. Maybe question will come in your heart also. What the question? Ye Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is staying Gambhira, or Gadadhar he was staying in Tota Gopinath. Why Gadadhar is staying with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Gambhira? Maybe question will come. Before I told, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Gadadhar always staying together. They never separate, as like Ram, Sita, Radha and Krishna individually, always staying. But why Gadadhar? He was not staying with Lord Chaitanya in Gambhira. Maybe your question will come or not. But in Gambhira, 2 persons always staying with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, especially Sarup Damodar and Rai Ramana. Especially when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu felt pang of separation from Krishna, because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, I am Radha. Now my Prananath Krishna, he left me. कहाँ मोर प्राणनाथ मुरली वदन, कहाँ जाऊँ कहाँ पाऊँ ब्रजेंद्र नंदन, कहाँ रे कही वो दुख के जाने मोर दुख, ब्रजेंद्र नंदन बिना पाटी मोर गो. Mahaprabhu always crying, where is my beloved Krishna? That time Sarup Damodar Rai Ramananda, they recited some verses of Srimad Bhagavatam, or Vidyapati Chandidas some Kirtan, and especially Rai Ramananda, he recited some verses from his own Natakam, that is Jagannath Vallabha Natakam. For this regard, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained, Rayer Natak are Saruper Gan, Biroher Kale Duhe Rakhi Paran. And Sarup Damodar Rai Ramananda. In this way, they also specify to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And sometimes Sarup Damodar recited Vidyapati Chandidas song. And when Lord Chaitanya heard this song, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu separation also are going very high. As like if you put the ghee in the fire, then fire will be what? Increased, and the flame of fire going very up and up. In the same way, Sarup Damodar Rai Ramananda, when they recited the verses of Vidyapati Chandidas, Ayi Maharaj, Dhanavad. Ayi, please come. One get chair there. So it is Saruper Gana Rayer Natak Birher Kale Duhe Rakhe. So now question is coming. So Sarup Damodar Rai Ramananda, they were staying with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Gambhira. Why Gadadhar was not in there? Gadadhar क्यों नहीं रहा? जब स्वरूप दामोदर राय रामानंद रह सकते हैं चैतन्य महाप्रभु के साथ, तो गदाधर क्यों नहीं रहा? मे बी योर क्वेश्चन विल अराइज नॉट. This is very simple also. Gurudev very nicely explained. Actual Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna. And now Krishna has come in the form of Sachinandan Gaur Hari. That is called divine combined form of divine Radha and Krishna. Gaur Sundar means is Radha Krishna Milita Tanu Sachinandan Gaur Hari. Who is Gaur Hari? The combined form of Radha and Krishna. Actual Krishna has come from Golok Vrindavan. Krishna has come from Golok Vrindavan. This is true. But Krishna now cover his body with Srimati Radhika's complexion. Radhikar bhav kanti churi kari Krishna avatirna hoila Gaura rupa dhari. Krishna is told Srimati Radhika's mood and complexion. Why? For three reasons. Sri Radhaya Pranay Mahima Kidiso Bani Saddo Jana Madhurima Kidiso Madhyo Shokhancha Madhurima Kidiso Viti Lubhat Tad Bhava Dasamajana Sachi Garbha Sindhu Harindu. What is the glory, is the divine love of Srimati Radhika? Krishna is thinking. What is the divine love of Srimati Radhika towards me? And always Srimati Radhika, she is absorbed with me. Pranay means is what? Deep attachment, that is called pranay. Deep attachment. So what is the glory of divine love of Srimati Radhika? What is Srimati Radhika? She is thinking about me and so Sri Radha Pranay Kriya. Saddot Jano Madhurima. What is my beauty? And what is the beauty of Krishna? Srimati Radhika, she is always relishing. जीभ के द्वारा चाट रही है, आँखों के द्वारा मानो चाट रही है. Srimati Radhika always is relishing the sweet beauty of Krishna with the eyes. आँखों के द्वारा चाट रही है. What is my beauty? Krishna is thinking. Or third, when Srimati Radhika, she relished my this sweetness, madhurima, what kinds of realization, anubhuti in her heart. For these three reasons, Krishna now has come in the form of Gaura Hari. So saying this, Radhikar bhav kanti churi kari Krishna avatirna hoila Gaura rupa dhari. So now Krishna is practicing. Now Krishna is as like a student. Understand? If you are student, that means you have to go the examination hall. छात्रों को क्या करना ही चाहिए, विद्यार्थियों को क्या करना, एग्जामिनेशन देना पड़ेगी कि नहीं, परीक्षा तो देना पड़ेगा. So now Krishna is taking Srimati Radhika's mood and complexion. But without Guru cannot develop his sadhana bhajan. For this regard, Krishna, he took sannyas. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he took sannyas. Then coming Jagannath Puri. Then he travelled in South India and met with Rai Ramananda. Who is Rai Ramananda? Vishakha Devi. Without taking shelter lotus feet of Vishakha Devi, not possible. It is not possible to realize Srimati Radhika's mood. So for this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested this lila. That is called Rai Ramananda Sangbad. This thing also coming in this way. And he learned all the Tattva Siddhanta, philosophy, Ras Siddhanta, Tattva Siddhanta, everything. Mahaprabhu himself asked to Rai Ramananda, tell to me all, Krishna Tattva, Jiva Tattva, Maya Tattva, Bhakti Tattva, Prema Tattva, Rasa Tattva, Sukhi Tattva, everything. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked, and Rai Ramananda, he gave very nice explanation about all this philosophy. This thing. So in this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he took Shiksha from Rai Ramananda Vishakha. Now coming in this way, what did you learn? Have to give examination. एक साल पढ़ने के बाद तुमको परीक्षा बढ़ना पड़ेगा कि नहीं? है? 1 year you are reading the school. Then end of the year you have to sit on the examination hall. In the same way, now Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that means Krishna, he is sitting where? Examination hall. Where is that? Gambhira. And to examination hall. हॉल है कि नहीं? कहाँ? गंभीरा में. बहुत छोटा. तुम्हारे लिए छोटा है. Mahaprabhu now giving this. Now two teachers are there. And what is home teacher? Another? And outside teacher. Because sometimes home teacher also taking bribes. घूस ले लेते हैं, पास करा देते हैं. अच्छा, this is true or wrong? If the only home teacher in your examination hall, then what you are writing, maybe he will be also give something to you, help to you, then you. So for this regard, according to the law, examination two teachers. One is home teacher or another external outside teacher. Flying teacher. So now who is there? Sarup Damodar and Radharani. That means Visakha Devi and Lalita. Now Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that means Srimati Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is practicing, acting the role of Srimati Radhika's different mood, bhav. What did he learn from there? Or Gadadhar, he is watching. You are really perfect way and you are acting or not. You did perfect way learn or not. So Gadadhar, I mean Srimati Radhika is watching. Though Gadadhar you are staying in Tota Gopinath, but everything he is watching. Understand these things. You took my complexion, mood, are really you practicing or not? These things also. Then another thing Gurudev also explained, Gadadhar, why he was not staying with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Gambhira. Because Gadadhar so much attachment to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And always he cried for Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Crying and crying and crying. And if Gadadhar would stay with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Gambhira, or Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is also crying for Krishna. So who will give pacify to whom? Now question is coming, Gadadhar also crying to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is crying for Krishna. दोनों ही यदि रोते रहे, कौन किसको सांत्वना देंगे आप बताओ? सांत्वना नहीं दिया नहीं सकता. You cannot pacify to each other. This is true. So for this regard, Gadadhar, he was staying little bit far from Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. These things also. And he was looking how Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that means Krishna, he is acting this Leela. Gurudev gave another example. One lady, she came in her one lady house, friend's house. Then suddenly her friend's husband